After the success of our previous trip, we could not stop thinking about this remote river. The gold we discovered on the first day proved that this location had real potential, and today we have returned with one goal: to find out just how much gold this forgotten river may be hiding. Reaching the site is just as challenging as before. The river lies deep in a remote wilderness where very few people ever travel. There are no roads, no signs, and no evidence of recent human activity. As we approach the river, the atmosphere feels different. The valley is silent. The only sounds come from flowing water and the occasional movement of wildlife hidden among the trees. The place feels untouched by time. Standing beside the river, it is easy to understand why so few prospectors have explored this area. The journey alone discourages most people from coming here. Yet that isolation may be exactly why gold still remains. The river flows quietly through the landscape, carrying countless secrets beneath its surface. Under the water lies a mixture of gravel, sand, and heavy minerals that have been accumulating for years. Yesterday's discoveries gave us hope. Today's mission is to uncover even more of what lies beneath. The river has already rewarded us once. Now we want to know what else it has been hiding. Before setting up larger equipment, we begin by verifying yesterday's results. Using the metal detector, we carefully scan the underwater sections where gold was previously found. The detector immediately begins responding. Several strong signals appear in the same area we worked before. That is a very encouraging sign. It suggests that the gold-bearing zone extends beyond the material we already processed. To confirm our theory, we decide to run another test. Using a shovel, we collect fresh material directly from the riverbed and process it through a small portable sluice. The test is simple but extremely important. If gold continues to appear in the sample, we will know that bringing larger equipment is worth the effort. The water begins washing away the lighter material. Gravel moves through the sluice. Dark concentrates start collecting. As the test continues, the excitement slowly builds. Then we spot the first small gold flake. Moments later, another appears, and then several more. The evidence is clear. The river continues to produce gold. The test confirms what we hoped to see. This location is not just a lucky spot from yesterday. It is a productive, gold-bearing section of the river. Now there is no reason to hold back. The small sluice has done its job. It is time to bring in larger equipment capable of processing much more material. If small samples already contain gold, larger volumes could produce even better results. The decision is made. Today we will scale up the operation. With renewed confidence, we begin carrying the larger recovery equipment into position. The river continues flowing steadily around us as we assemble the system in the middle of the water. Every part must be installed carefully. The sluice is positioned. The frame is stabilized. The water flow is adjusted. Everything needs to operate correctly before excavation can begin. Once the setup is complete, the real work starts. Standing knee-deep in the river, we begin digging into the underwater gravel deposits. Each shovel cuts through layers of sand and stone that may have been undisturbed for years. The material is heavy. The current constantly pushes against us, yet we continue working methodically. Shovel after shovel, bucket after bucket. The gravel is loaded into the larger recovery system. Immediately, the difference becomes obvious. The larger equipment processes far more material than the small test sluice. Large rocks are separated. Sand and gravel move through the system. Lighter material washes away downstream. Heavy concentrates remain trapped. The work becomes a steady rhythm. Dig, lift, feed the sluice, inspect, repeat, again and again. As the hours pass, more and more material is processed. The deeper layers begin revealing large concentrations of black sand. This catches our attention immediately. Black sand often signals the presence of heavy minerals, and where heavy minerals accumulate, gold is frequently nearby. The concentrates continue building inside the recovery system. Every load seems more promising than the last. The riverbed appears richer than we expected. Years of flowing water may have concentrated gold into this exact section of the river. That possibility keeps us motivated despite the hard physical labor. We continue taking turns operating the equipment. One person digs. The other monitors the recovery system. Then we switch. The process never stops. Gradually, the amount of heavy concentrate increases. The signs become more encouraging with every passing hour. Something valuable is clearly accumulating inside the system. Now only one question remains. How much gold has the river stored here? After many hours of continuous excavation, the most exciting moment of the day finally arrives. The concentrates trapped inside the recovery system are ready to be inspected. Everything slows down. The digging stops. The focus shifts entirely to the material we have collected. Carefully, we begin separating the concentrates. Dark minerals fill the bottom of the pan. The tension grows with every movement. Then it happens. A bright yellow flash appears among the concentrates. Gold. A beautiful gold flake catches the sunlight. Then another, and another. The more we inspect the material, the more gold becomes visible. Small flakes appear first, then larger pieces. Some are surprisingly thick and bright. Each one confirms that the river still holds significant value beneath its surface. The excitement is impossible to hide. All the hard work, the long journey, the hours spent standing in cold water, everything has led to this moment. The gold continues appearing as the concentrates are examined. The collection grows larger than we expected. This remote river has once again proven why it captured our attention in the first place. The location remains productive. The gold-bearing deposits continue beneath the gravel, and there may still be much more waiting to be discovered. As the sun begins to lower over the valley, we look at the gold spread out before us. Large pieces, small pieces, all shining with the unmistakable color every prospector hopes to see. This second day has confirmed what we suspected from the beginning. The hidden river is far from exhausted, and today's discoveries may only be the beginning of a much larger gold story still waiting to unfold beneath the water.